Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji. Thank you Guruji for everything. Shukrana Guruji for giving me this opportunity to be a part of your multilingual group. Shukrana Guruji for all the blessings. Shukrana Guruji for all those blessings which you have not given us because they were not good for us. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji. A very good afternoon to all the Sangatji, myself Sheetal Aunty, and with Guruji's blessings on this wonderful multilingual platform. Today I will be reading Light of Divinity chapter in English. So please be with me and please bear with me if I make any mistake. Guruji, please help me to read properly so that Sangatji can understand what I am going to read. So Sangatji, Jai Guruji, and we'll be reading Light of Divinity book. I have a new book, so those who have the book, please open the chapter. Guruji takes a family under his grace. And in the new book, it is page number 66. There are 5 satsang together, which is a part of this chapter only. So we will read it turn by turn. And Guruji, please help me to read properly so that I am audible to all the Sangatji, and with Guruji's blessings, I read properly. So we read Light of Divinity in English, page number 66. The topic, Guruji takes a family under his grace. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Ji. Shukrana Guruji, Shukrana Suresh Uncle for giving me this opportunity to read the divine book, which is full of wonderful satsangs of the Sangat who are blessed by Guruji's grace. So Sangatji, let's get started. The topic is Guruji takes a family under his grace. Guruji, please help me to read properly, and I'm sorry if I am stuck somewhere. So let's get started, sir. Guruji takes a family under his grace. The topic. The most difficult thing on this planet is to put your experiences with Guruji in words. Nothing can compare with seeing him or meeting him. It's only then that you get a first faint glimmer of who he is and the tremendous power he possesses. But getting darshan is not that easy because it can happen only with Guruji's consent. There are innumerable instances of well-planned and well-intentioned programs to visit him getting derailed. On the other hand, he can unexpectedly call you from anywhere. I had both kinds of experiences. Soon after I had become Guruji's devotee, I enjoyed sharing my experiences at his place with my close friends, and they were clearly enthused enough to want to come to meet Guruji. Notwithstanding their intent and my willingness to take them along, we could not make it happen for a full 6 months, invariably due to some trial reasons beyond their or my control. Finally, when they visited Guruji, they were delighted, and Guruji's grace marked their lives in every aspect. Yet, it always is Guruji who calls us. I was standing in the parking lot outside Guruji's place, waiting for a friend to come. As a car slowed down on the approach, I directed it towards one of the vacant parking slots. But the gentleman driving the car was not my friend. The occupants were newlyweds, headed for a restaurant that was a few kilometers down the road. I explained to them that this space was meant for parking Sangat's cars. The couple proceeded towards their destination. Within a few minutes, they came back and inquired if they could have Guruji's darshan. I was stunned. They were foregoing their night out in favor of going to a temple where they would be having the darshan of a guru they had heard about just a few minutes ago. They enjoyed Guruji's darshan and went back happy and satisfied. How Guruji pulls you. Jai Guruji. The satsang. Under Guruji's protection. When I started coming to Guruji, every visit had a special feel-go element. Guruji gives away many a thing. Just one in that long list of his grants is his protection. The security you experience in Guruji's refuge is unparalleled. Many experiences of mine prove this fact. We had barely been Guruji's devotee for less than a couple of months when I came down with high fever. Neither strong medicines nor a wet cloth on my forehead helped. Then suddenly my mom thought of Guruji's photograph which he had given to us. She asked me to put it in my shirt pocket. Within a few minutes there was a dramatic dip in the temperature. It nearly reached the normal level. Jai Guruji. Once I had a terrible stomach ache in college. It was followed by heavy vomiting and much worse. My friends took me home, by which time my parents had already left for Guruji's Sangat. Two of my friends decided to stay with me till their return. But with my condition deteriorating further, they called up Dad and took me to the nearest hospital. The doctor gave me 2 injections, prescribed some medicines and asked me to take rest. But nothing worked. In the meantime, while taking permission from Guruji to leave immediately, Dad had mentioned my ailment. Guruji instructed Dad to ask me to take a glass of fresh lime. I did so, and Guruji's glass of lime water did what medicines and injections could not. I was normal by the time my parents came back. A few years later, I was again hit with a bad fever, which went up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The doctor was consulted, but his medicines proved useless and the tests were inconclusive. We changed doctors and medicines, but nothing happened and helped. Finally, after 7 such grueling days, Dad told Guruji about the situation. Guruji prescribed a remedy involving some green chilies that he had blessed. We followed Guruji's instructions and the fever miraculously disappeared within a few hours. Nothing except Guruji's grace could have made it happen. Jai Guruji. Next satsang. Escaping our karmas. Guruji knows your past and present and takes care of your future. We are very short-sighted and cannot foresee what is due to befall us. But once in Guruji's Sharan, you need not bother about the same, as truly all the worries are Guruji's once you leave the decisions of your life to him. Once Guruji called Dad and told him that mine and mom's stars were not favorable. He had probably seen some trouble coming towards us in the near future and was blessing us, making provision even then to save us from it. The next day at around noon, I was going in car to market around 2 kilometers away from my home. While crossing a junction, my car was hit on the left by a speedy bike. The impact was such that the car skidded and hit the road divider. The next thing I knew, shards of glass were shattering all over me. I looked at the windscreen, but it was intact. The shards had come from the panes. I stepped out and went to the bike. Unusually, the crowd was sympathizing with me, the driver of a bigger vehicle. I took down the contact number of the driver. A few of his friends came and took him away. I also decided to move on. I was not expecting the car to start, but surprisingly, it pulled in the first attempt. I returned home and had a bath and only then realized that there was not even a single scratch on me. Jai Guruji. The shards of exploding glass had not found their target due to Guruji's divine interventions. Jai Guruji. When we went to Guruji that evening in a cousin's car, he just told Dad, Singla, never mind, just the car had been damaged. Your son has not got a scratch, and that is more important. Anyone who saw the car would have been forced to conclude the driver had sustained serious injuries. The damage to the car was massive. Except for Guruji, no one could have ensured 100% safety for me. Then one winter evening, I was driving the car towards Guruji's place when the brakes failed. Thanks to Guruji, the incident happened on a red light, when the car was hardly rolling, else it might have been fatal. But we were struck midway. At 7:30 p.m. it was already dark. We finally located a car mechanic who was closing shop but agreed to help. Even after half an hour, he had no success in finding the leakage. My sister, Aarti, in desperation requested Guruji's help so that we were no longer delayed further in reaching him. Just then we heard the mechanic's shout of joy. He had found the leakage point. We were soon rolling towards Guruji. When we had begun coming to Guruji, I was still learning driving and had never driven on my own beyond the borders of Noida. So Dad used to drive both ways. But one day Dad planned a trip to Chandigarh and we were left with no other option but to wait for his return to go to Guruji. A drive of about 20 kilometers in Delhi traffic. I was hesitant, but with support from mom and sister, I asked Dad if I could take the car to Guruji's place the next day. Unexpectedly, he agreed. The next day we were ready. I took the car out of the parking space with butterflies in my stomach. Suddenly, the three of us in the car, my mom, Aarti and I, could smell Guruji's fragrance and the sense it was located on the vacant rear seat right next to my sister. It was Guruji's presence in the car. Throughout my drive that day, we could smell the fragrance and we reached safely. On our way back, Guruji's fragrance was with us all along. It disappeared the moment I parked the car safely in our garage. Jai Guruji. This is the extent to which he cares about his disciples. His presence during my first drive out was not just a very kind gesture of support and care he extends, but also ensures our safety and provide me a great boost. Jai Guruji. Next Satsang Sangaji. Engineering my admission. 2 years after we had started seeing Guruji, I completed my class 12th board exam and planned to drop a year to prepare for engineering entrance exam. As a fallback plan, I joined BSc Honours in Delhi University. On an impulse, I sat for engineering entrance exam for the experience. My results were not good enough for me to get in good college in and around Noida. The colleges did offer NRI seats that came from hefty one-time charges and annual fees that amounted to be a few lakhs of rupees. So I decided to drop a year and proceed with the original plan. A few months passed. A special entrance exam was conducted for the state of Uttar Pradesh. Since some seats in various colleges were up for grabs, I appeared for exam related to these. But the story of NRI seats and hefty charges remained the same. Then one night Guruji summoned Dad and told him, Singla, your son is granted admission. Go and enjoy. Dad, unable to make much of the laconic remark, thanked Guruji and left. Next afternoon, when I came back from college, Delhi University, Dad asked me if I wanted to join engineering college in Greater Noida. I was surprised since it was already November 14th and all the admissions had closed on November 10th. But I took no time in saying yes. We went to college office, walking distance from our home, submitted a copy of the required documents, and I asked to join the next day. Dad narrated the whole story on the way back, how one of his friends had called up that very morning and told Dad to come immediately to the college office. Dad had rushed there and was asked to fill in a form and submit it along with a backdated check of rupees 24,000. There was no one-time fee and the seat had the lower annual fees possible. Dad finally understood the meaning of Guruji's remark, I had been particularly called from home and granted admission. Jai Guruji. Next Satsang Sangaji. Blessings extended to my friends as well. In college, Ashish, Yogesh and Mukesh became very good friends of mine. After some initial hiccups, they were lucky to get Guruji's darshan, a place at his lotus feet, and also their share of experiences. Our university follows a semester system wherein 6 subjects have to be cleared in 6 months. In case you fail to score the required minimum, you have to reappear for the same examination after a year. If a borderline student needed 10 grace marks to clear all the subjects, they were given. At the end of second year, Yogesh was left on the borderline as he required 11 marks instead of available 10. This translated into a loss of 1 year. Very upset, he had to sit out at home for about a month as he had not been allowed to attend the next year's classes. One day, he desperately prayed to Guruji to help him out. He fell asleep. When he woke up, he was happy, but a bit confused by what he had just dreamt. But he didn't tell us anything about it. The next day, newspaper headlines conveyed the university board's decision to grant a special grace of 15 marks. Once in any of the 4 years of our engineering course, Yogesh's academic year was saved and the delighted Yogesh shared the amazing experience with us. He said he had seen a dream in which his mother took him to Guruji and told him how troubled Yogesh was. Guruji had said that there was nothing to worry about and everything will be set right. The dream occurred a few hours before the board meeting of the university board had to be happened. Every 6 months, we wanted to have Guruji's darshan at least once before sitting for exams. My visits were facilitated by my parents, as my parents were regular visitors. But for my 3 friends, it required a special effort. Ashish seemed to have a special rewarding relationship as far as these darshans were concerned. He was able to clear all these semester papers, and he was able to have Guruji's darshan before the exams. But the exams in which he was unable to have Guruji's darshan inevitably led to failure in a single subject or more. He then had to reappear for his exams. With Guruji's grace, after the completion of engineering course, Mukesh got placed with Honeywell, a renowned MNC. He was taken as a trainee for 1 year. Later, Mukesh was desperately waiting for confirmation that he had been made an executive grade employee. The matter had been pending for 2 months. He came to Guruji on 14th April 2005, had Guruji's darshan and prasad and went back. The next working day, on April 16th, his position was confirmed. Guruji makes everything possible with a shower of his blessings. Jai Guruji. Next satsang Sangat ji. My change of marks. The third semester final exam results revealed that instead of the 30 marks required to pass, I had obtained 19 marks. This was shocking news, as after the paper I had evaluated my performance and I was sure I would pass. I told this to my parents, adding an apprehensive remark that if I scored just 16 marks in this question paper, it would be hard for me to clear this exam ever. Dad told Guruji about the problem and he advised me to apply for rechecking, which I did the very next morning. The following day, there were rumors in the campus about the changes in some students' marks. I went to the professor concerned, and as soon as I told her my name, she confirmed that my marks in this very subject stood changed. Instead of 19, I had now obtained 53 marks. Jai Guruji. I was delighted and immediately withdrew the request of rechecking the paper and thanked Guruji for his blessings. Later, we got to know that in the whole state, with 120 odd colleges, each college having hundreds of students, marks of just 5 students were changed. And not all of them had increased. I was one of those to obtain an upward revision with all Guruji's grace. As just some of my experiences show, the power that Guruji possesses and the selfless support he provides to all his children, preserve them, protect them, and let them flourish in all walks of life. Anything which you leave to Guruji is assuredly taken care of by him. The key is to have total surrender towards Guruji, who is an endless source of love and affection. May this winning blessings be with us always, and may he keep us under his divine refuge, his charm, his charan, sharan. Om Namah Shivaya, Shivji Sada Sahay. Jai Guruji Sangat Ji, these were the satsangs from Light of Divinity book, our holy Granth, which is full of satsangs by the devotees who are being blessed by our dear Guruji. And this chapter was narrated by me, Sheetal Aunty, with Guruji's blessings, and it is written by a satsang named Arvind Singla, executive at Siemens, who is the son of R.P. Singla, uncle. So, Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji, Shukrana Multilingual platform for letting me a part of your esteemed group. And thank you, Guruji, for choosing me, for giving me a chance to read such a blessed satsang today. And I'm sorry wherever I stuck. I'll try to improve my English reading more next time. Thank you, Suresh Uncle, for permitting me to be a part of multilingual group. Thank you, Shweta Aunty, for all your support and guidance. Thank you to each and every part of Sevadars who are a part of multilingual group. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji. With Guruji's blessings, everybody stay safe and happy, and may Guruji's blessings always shower on you. Thank you. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji. I take your leave. I, Sheetal Aunty, with Guruji's blessings, will read next satsang from the divine book, Light of Divinity, next time. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji.